What's up and welcome, guys. I'm Luke Martin with ChopstickTravel.com, and today is our 5th day of our East Coast of Taiwan tour. And if you've been following, you're probably wondering what happened to days 3 and 4. And I'm going to tell you all about that. So the 3rd and 4th day, unfortunately, were pretty bad because we were wrecked by a typhoon. So we were rained on really hard, really strong winds, and a lot of our activities unfortunately got canceled. But we have been on Green Island for the past 3 days. This is our 3rd morning, and we woke up bright and early to enjoy this beautiful sunrise. It has been amazing, and Green Island is such a beautiful place. Fortunately enough, today is a really nice day, so we're gonna make the best of it. And I'm gonna tell you about the little bits that I was able to film, and that starts out with our really rocky boat ride to Green Island. So we just got to Green Island, just stepping foot here for the very first time. It is absolutely pouring rain out. Typhoon is coming. We're just getting the tail end of it now. And that was certainly a rocky ride. What did you think about that boat ride?
It was insane. There was people vomiting and just having a really bad time.
Quite a lot of vomiting and crying. It was pretty bad. We were okay though. Green Island. So that was our rather disastrous boat ride to Green Island. We actually saw somebody vomit on the person in front of them. So Sabrina and I were just wearing our raincoats inside of the boat the entire ride. But other than that, everything has been really good. We have been doing our scuba license. So we did 4 dives, open water dives here at Green Island, and now we are certified, and they have been beautiful, and I think we got some good footage from there. So scuba diving was beautiful. There was so much fish, and actually Green Island is rated top 10 in the world for visibility, and it was certainly a great place to learn how to scuba dive. I would recommend that to anybody. Also, check this out. There's a goat. Hey, little goat. Oh, he doesn't like me. What? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Stop scratching me. Hey. Ow! Oh my god, you're tough. Ow! Okay, what do you want from me? No! Oh my god. Stop! I'm trying to vlog here. I'm trying to make a vlog, man. I just want you to be in my shot. Okay, I'll pay you. Oh, hello. Between scuba diving and eating a ton of seafood, we also went fishing and caught some pretty big fish. You can check that out. So we are just taking off of Green Island. We just left shore and we are heading out deep sea fishing. So hopefully we're gonna catch a nice big fish. and enjoy the scenery of Green Island. That was tiring. That was good though. It was a good fight.
We did it.
Just caught some big fish. That was really fun, and they put up a huge fight. But now we are just enjoying the rest of this boat ride and taking in this beautiful sunset over Green Island. So catching those fish was a lot of fun. It was really tiring reeling one of those guys in. They put up a really good fight. So this morning we are leaving Green Island. Unfortunately, this is such a beautiful island. You have to come here. And Joystour Taiwan has been taking us around on this whole East Coast trip, and they have done such a good job. Their cars are so comfortable, and they are really good guides in just getting you to the best spots in Taiwan, Green Island included. So I did, however, capture some footage from this morning, and we got some drone footage from the last couple days of Green Island that I did want to show you. So cut to B-roll now. All right, that's just about it for Green Island. We have had such an amazing time here. This is such a cool little island off the east coast of Taiwan. Definitely come here, and if you are, definitely consider coming with Joystour. It'll make it so much easier and better. So we are heading back to Taipei today, but we are going to stop for lunch. So let's cut to that. Okay, we are back on Taiwan. Left Green Island. It was a much smoother boat ride this time. Now, unfortunately, we were planning on stopping at a restaurant for lunch and dinner, but we won't have enough time because we need to drive all the way to Taipei, and also the traffic is going to be very bad. So we have ordered ourselves a lunchbox, and I do want to show you around that lunchbox before I sign off. We just got our lunchbox, and we eat these pretty much 4 or 5 times a week. They are our regular lunch. And let's check out this box here. Open it up. So it looks like we've got some big chunks of chicken in here, a tea egg or braised egg, some braised tofu, pickled melon, over here some cucumbers, and then underneath here we've also got some cabbage, and then of course on a whole bed of rice. So this looks good. Let's dig in. I'm gonna just try some of these cucumbers and chase that with some chicken. And then rice, of course. Very standard, but very tasty. Okay, there's a couple little things on here. This is a nice, like, well-balanced lunch. So I'm gonna try this braised tofu. Yeah, nice and firm. Slight soy sauce flavor, a little salty. And then try this melon. Whoa.
has a very strong flavor. It's like very sour and also quite salty. I think it's preserved in salt. Also, we have the very popular yogurt drink. I think it's called Yakult.
Oh yeah, nice and cold, super refreshing, and it's like not very thick. It's just kind of like the same consistency as milk. But yeah, this is a very well balanced meal. A nice way to end our trip to Green Island. So I think that is where I'm gonna end this video though, because we're just heading straight back to Taipei. We have a long day of driving ahead of us. I hope you enjoyed this video again today. I'm sorry we missed it on the 4th and 3rd day, but they've all been mixed into one big vlog, and I hope you enjoyed some of the different scenery, the underwater, and then the drone shots too. It's nice to work and have that opportunity to use those footage. So next video you see will actually be from Korea, South Korea, Seoul. So I hope you stay tuned for that, and if you did enjoy this video, leave a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment box, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.